Now, let's start our lesson today. We'll go through the 5 paras that I regard as important for you to read. This is our first para. I stand before you today. I stand before you today with a heart overflowing with grief. Here, the speaker, here the speaker Here the speaker is in a pensive mood. Is in a pensive. Here the speaker is in a pensive mood. While delivering his speech. You are fully aware of the events that are going on and understand their import. That means we know what is going on around us and we know its significance. Here import is a noun. Here import is a noun meaning import is a noun meaning importance or significance. Significance. Import is a noun meaning importance or significance. We have been trying to do our best to cope with the situation. Here, cope with means deal with. Here, cope with means deal with. We have been trying to do our best to cope with the situation. Here, cope with means deal with. And yet, unfortunately, the streets of Dhaka, Chittagong, Khulna, Rajshahi, and Rangpur are awash with the blood of our brothers. Here awash means flooded. Here awash means flooded, or we will find it in our next para, crimson, deep red. Crimson, awash with the blood of our brothers, meaning flooded with the blood of our brothers. Crimson with the blood of our brothers. The people of Bengal now want to be free. The people of Bengal now want to live. And the people of Bengal now want their rights. I don't think these sentences are difficult for you to understand. Now let's move on to our second para. What have we done that was wrong? Here wrong means injustice. Here wrong means injustice. Here wrong means injustice. After the elections, the people of Bangladesh voted as one for me for the Awami League. We were to sit in the National Assembly, draft a constitution. Draft here means
Please.
Draft here means design. Draft here means design. Draft here means design. Design. Constitution, as we call it in Bengali, Sangbidhan. Sangbidhan. In other words, we can call it code of laws. Code of laws. Following these laws, our country runs. The government runs our country following this constitution, meaning code of laws. For ourselves and build our own country. The people of this land would thereby get economic, political, and cultural freedom. But it is with regret that here regret means sorrow. Here regret means sorrow. That I have to report to you. Here report to means
Tell.
Here report to means tell. Here report to means tell. You today that we have passed through 23 tragic years. 23 tragic years. Here tragic means pathetic. Here tragic means pathetic. Here tragic means pathetic. Bengal's history of those years is full of stories of torture. Torture means oppression. Oppression. Here torture means oppression. Inflicted on our people. Here inflicted means imposed. Inflict, the verb is associated with pain, suffering, agony, anguish, etc., or punishment, etc. He gave me pain. He gave me pain. We can say he inflicted pain on me. He gave me punishment. He inflicted punishment on me. He imposed punishment on me. These are similar sentences. Now, of blood shed by them repeatedly. Here, shed meaning sacrificed. Here, shed meaning sacrifice. Here, shed meaning sacrificed. Here, shed meaning sacrificed by them repeatedly. Here, repeatedly means frequently. I'm telling all this to you. I'm telling all this to you because these words are associated with our multiple choice questions. These words are associated with our multiple choice questions. So,
which one is the synonym of this?
remember, so try to remember, try to follow these and remember this. If you want, you can write them in your exercise book.
Night health.
You can write them down in your exercise book.
ইংলিশ তুমি কি ফার্স্ট পেপার বেশি কঠিন আসছিল না সেকেন্ড?
Repeatedly meaning frequently. Repeatedly here means frequently. 23 years of history of men and women in agony. Agony means anguish, or suffering, agony means anguish or suffering or pain. Agony means anguish, suffering or pain. These are its common synonyms. These words are important for us to learn for our multiple choice questions from this paragraph. Now we'll see our third paragraph. The history of Bengal is the history of a people. You can see here article A is preceding people. As you know, people is a word that is plural. How can a plural word be preceded by the article A or an? Here, the people is not used as plural. Here, people is singular, meaning nation. Here, people is singular, meaning nation. People can be either plural or singular. When people is plural, it means persons, many persons. When people is singular, it means nation. You need to be careful about it. Who have repeatedly made their highways crimson. Crimson literally means deep red. Crimson literally means deep red. But here it is used awash or flooded with this meaning. Awash or crimson is used here as flooded or awash. With their blood, we shed blood, as I have already said, shed here in this passage meaning sacrificed. In 1952, even though is a connector, even though and though mean the same thing. There is no difference between them. Even though and though are similar. They have the same meaning, They have the same structure. We were the victors. Victors means the word victors means winners. Winners. We were the victors or winners in the elections of 1954. We could not form a government. Here form meaning constitute. Here form means constitute. A government then. In 1958, Ayub Khan declared, we need to know three similar words that can be synonymous with each other. Proclaimed, the other one is announced. The other one is announced. Martial law. Martial law, we call it in Bengali Samorik Ain. Samorik Ain. Martial law to enslave. Here, enslave means subjugate. দমন করে রাখা. Subjugate. Subjugate. As for the next 10 years. Can you tell me how long martial law continued in the then East Pakistan? Can you tell me how long did martial law continue in the then East Pakistan? Here you have your answer. 10 years. 10 years. In 1966, when we launched, here launched means started. Here launched means started. We launched or started the 6-point movement, Choidaf Andolan. 6-point movement, our boys were shot dead on 7 June. When after the movement of 1969, here movement means what we call it in Bengali, Gano Udbhutthan. Here movement means mass movement or mass uprising. Mass movement or mass uprising. Gano Udbhutthan. Gano Udbhutthan. The 6-point movement, oh sorry, after the, I'm very, very sorry. This movement, not that movement. This movement, 1969, that took place in 1969 is called mass movement or mass uprising. Ayub Khan fell from power and Yahya Khan assumed the reins of the government. Assumed the reins of means take or assume the power or control. Assume the reins of means take or assume the power or control. Another word I should put off, because here we have an of preposition. Assume the reins of means take or assume the power or control of the government. And he declared that he would give us a constitution and restore democracy. Here restore means revive, পুনরুদ্ধার or পুনরুজ্জীবিত করা, পুনরুদ্ধার or পুনরুজ্জীবিত করা. Restore means revive democracy. We listened to him then. A lot has happened since and elections have taken place. Now, here we see happened. Here we see happened. We also see taken place. We need to know 4 terms regarding what we call in Bengali ghota. First one is happen. First one is happen. First one is happen. Second one is occur. Occur in the past form, as we often wrote mistakenly. We write mistakenly occurred. You have to remember that we write this, but there should be another R here. And in the present participle or gerund form, also the R should be double. We mistakenly put one R, but the R should be double. Remember this. And third one is transpire. Third one is transpire. Third one is transpire. And the last one is a phrase very well known to you, take place. Happen, happen, occur, transpire, and take place. What we say in Bengali, ghotano. Ghotano. These are all verb intransitive. These are all verb intransitive. These are all verb intransitive, meaning these verb must not have an object. These verbs must not have an object. And the second thing is that these verbs cannot be used in a passive structure. These verbs cannot be used in a passive structure. You cannot say is happened or is occurred or is transpired or is taken place. You cannot say like this, because these verbs cannot be used in the passive structure. These verbs mean ghota in Bengali. And we have to remember cause, and bring about. We have to remember cause and bring about. Cause and bring about. Bring about is the phrase, verbal phrase or group verb. Cause is a word, it's not a phrase, as it has no other companion word. Cause and bring about means ghatano in Bengali. It can be used in the active as well as passive structures. Excessive rainfall causes a flood. A flood is caused by excessive rainfall. A flood took place in our village. We cannot say a flood was taken place in our village. Remember, very important, because you mistakenly write these sentences in your answer script, as we usually find them. Now let's move on to our fourth para. I have met Mr. President Yahya Khan. I have made a request to him, not only on behalf of. As we know, on behalf of meaning in Bengali, pokke. Pokke. We use this phrase in our application when we write an application on behalf of a group of people or students or like those. On behalf of, we can express it in one word, for. Even for means here pokke. But also the leader of the party which has the majority in Pakistan. In an election, the party which wins the highest number of seats is called the majority in a assembly or in a parliament. I said to him, you must hold the session of the National Assembly on 15 January. Hold means arrange, organize. Hold means arrange or organize. You can use Z in place of S if you like. I use S. The session of the National Assembly on 15 January, but he did not listen to me. He listened to Mr. Bhutto instead. At first he said that the meeting would take place in the first week of March. We said, fine, we will be taking our seats in the assembly then. I said, we will carry out our discussions. Now we have another important phrase, carry out. We have another important phrase, carry out. Carry out meaning do or accomplish or perform. Do or accomplish or perform. Our discussions in the assembly. I went so far as to say that if anyone came up with an offer that was just. Here offer meaning proposal or proposition. That was just. Here just means Here just means rightful. Here just means rightful, ন্যায্য. Even though we were in the majority, we would agree to that offer. Here agree to meaning, comply with. Here agree to meaning comply with, মেনে নেওয়া, সহমত হওয়া, comply with. Now I will move on to para 8 as I regard it as important for you. Before that, before moving on to that para, I like to draw your attention to this word, prorogt, then dissolved, and then where, and then shut down, and then shut down. These three words are similar in meaning. These words are these were mean in Bengali মুলতবি বা স্থগিত করা, মুলতবি বা স্থগিত করা. You need to learn these three words for your exam. Now I will go through this para, which I regard as important for you. What have we got in return? What have we got in return? Here in return means in exchange. Here in return means in exchange. Those who brought, I feel very sorry to see this, that Bangabandhu said kinechi. Bangabandhu said kinechi, but Fakhrul sir translated it into brought. I think R was mistakenly placed here. It should be bought. Arms with our money to defend us from external enemies are now using those arms on the poor, the wretched. The wretched meaning the unlucky. The unlucky or the unfortunate. Or the distressed. Or the distressed. Or the distressed. The downtrodden. Downtrodden means in Bengali পদদলিত, নিষ্পেষিত. Oppressed. People of the land, bullets are being aimed at their hearts. We constitute, as we have already learned, that constitute and form, FORM, are similar. Constitute, form are similar. The majority in Pakistan, but whenever we Bengalis have tried to assume power, we have already learned about it. Assume the reins of, similar. they have used forced on us. These 5 pairs, I think, are important for you. So I have gone through them and discussed different words or phrases and their synonyms because they are important for our multiple choice questions. As you know, multiple choice questions will be basically set based on your guessing of the meaning of the words found in the text or passage to be set in your question paper. Now, the rest of the paragraphs, I suppose you will read yourself. Now I will move on to our lecture 2 sheet. Lecture 2 sheet I posted this morning in your group. Here we have many multiple choice questions. Many multiple choice questions. Many multiple choice questions. These multiple choice questions are supposed to be solved by you. So these are your homework. These are your homework. You have to show your homework khata through your camera. You have to put it before your camera and I will see it. Am I clear to you? Now,
Yes, sir.
now look at the options and if you find any word that is unknown to you, let me know and I will make it clear to you. A, is there any word unknown to you? B, C, D. Do you find any word? Pensive means depressed, বিষণ্ণ. Jocund means happy, happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Number E. Have a quick look. Number F. Adamant means in Bengali একগুঁয়ে আর আমাদের চলতি কথায় we call it ঘাউরা. Adamant একগুঁয়ে. Any word?
Nemesis, sir, nemesis.
Nemesis. Nemesis means arch rival, চিরশত্রু. Or in Greek mythology, Nemesis is the goddess of revenge, প্রতিশোধের দেবী. Nemesis in Greek mythology is the goddess of revenge. In our daily life, Nemesis means arch rival, চিরশত্রু. Aristocratic meaning in Bengali অভিজাত, অভিজাত পরিবার, অভিজাত সম্প্রদায়, অভিজাত ব্যক্তি, অভিজাত, respectable, সম্ভ্রান্ত. Any word? Any more word? Any more word on this page? Okay, now move on to our next page. Apoplexy meaning deformity in your physique. তোমার শরীরে যে বিকলাঙ্গতা, শারীরিক বিকৃতি, deformed body. monstrosity means like a demon, দানবের মতন, huge size.
Sir, what is apoplexy?
Apoplexy, deformity in your body, শারীরিক বিকৃতি, বিকলাঙ্গতা, বিকলাঙ্গতা. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then move on to our. Okay. Our time is over. Our time is over, as I can see. You will do your homework, I believe, and I hope. I will ask you.
So what is the meaning of exude?
Exude means নিঃসরণ করা বা ঝরানো, shed, 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 ঝরানো, নিঃসরণ করা.
Okay, sir.
Now only the multiple choice questions are your homework. Nothing else. Nothing else. Only the multiple choice questions. Are you clear? Do you have any more
Yes,
question
sir.
any more question to ask before I end the class? I want
Sir,
to
no,
know.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay,
স্যার
then
এর
I,
আগের পেজটা, স্যার এর
আগের-
আগের পেজটা যে
Okay.
এডিট করলেন সেটার কি পিডিএফটা দেওয়া যাবে?
you can take a screenshot of this. You can take a screenshot of this page. Which one? Is
স্যার
it
ভাবছিলাম যে
these
সবগুলো
pages?
যদি পিডিএফ।
I have already
Sir, from
posted.
first page.
I have already posted this
তার মানে
lecture
এডিট
sheet.
করা মিনিংগুলো লিখলেন না?
Oh. Then take a screenshot. Is it the first one? Do it quickly. Done? Are
Yes,
you
sir.
done? Okay. Now the second one. Done?
Yes, sir.
Now the third one. The third one. Third one.
Sir, what is the verb in transitive?
The verb that takes no object. The verb that takes no object. I am writing. Here writing has no object, so writing is an intransitive verb. If I say I am writing this letter, then write has an object, this letter. So here in this sentence, write is a transitive verb. The verb that has an object is called a transitive verb. The verb that has no object is called an intransitive verb. If a verb does not have an object, it cannot be usually transformed into a passive voice. If a verb has an object, it can be transformed into a passive voice. Verb having object, transitive. Verb having no object, intransitive. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Now now look at now take a screenshot of this para. Done. Now, our this is our fifth para. Done. May I end the class now?
Done, sir.
Okay, may I end the class now?
As you wish, sir.
Thank you. Okay, thank you for attending the class. I have posted a paragraph on Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman in your group. Go through it, and if you find any word or any sentence or any structure difficult, let me know. I will make it clear to you. Thank you all once
Thank you,
again
sir.
for attending the class.